YouTube family, welcome back. If you're already familiar with sneaker content on this channel, you know I always try to put you up on low-key brands that aren't really on everybody's radar, so you're not looking like a hype beast, looking like everybody else. And this brand is no exception, and it's none other than K-Swiss. Remember like 8 months ago when I only had like 1,000 subscribers and I put up a video of the Gary V and K-Swiss collab shoe? That was the very first time I had interaction with the team. So now almost a year later, they let me do this video and decided to sponsor it, which I'm really happy about. I got 3 shoes for you. One a little bit more sporty and futuristic. The other one's like really clean and minimal and classic. And the third one, a statement shoe. With every single shoe on this list, not only did I do some on-foot shots for y'all, I actually styled different outfits to go with each shoe, so make sure you stick out to the end so you can see exactly how I put them together. If you like any of them, they'll all be linked down in the description so you can check them out. The first shoe on this list is the Jinki Conit. For the upper, you're looking at about 95% knit, which makes it super duper lightweight. And the reason why I say 95% because if you look on the tongue, you see a leather on the detail that says K-Swiss on it. You're gonna find the signature 5 stripes subtly on the inside, and then the very back heel you have a lot of cushion right there as well, and a pull tab, and they're all one color, so it kind of works even though you got a lot of materials going on. The midsole is all light gray, and then you got a diamond pattern on the inside of the shoe. Then the outside of the shoe you got like 5 stripes subtly embossed or debossed into the side of it. The bottom, you know, you got that clear panel if you're familiar with the shoe already, and it got K-Swiss bleeding through. Now as far as the outfit with these, I decided to dress it up a bit. These shoes are really sporty, but the texture of them is almost a little more sophisticated. So I decided to put on a pair of slacks. As you can see, they're almost the exact same color as the shoes with the window pane pattern on them. And I throw out a clean white button down, but as you can see, it's a Mandarin collar, so it makes it feel a lot more casual, a lot less dressed up. It doesn't throw off the sneakers too much. The next shoe on this list is the Irvine T Heritage. And the Heritage collection is like the K-Swiss version of the retro. Like they bring old shoes back to the new. I really love the original look of these shoes, especially this toe box, like the all gum around the toe box. I feel like it's dope. You got the midsole here, even though it's all rubber, it looks like it's pebble leather. So it kind of elevates the shoe once again. Then right here on the heel counter, you have this really long hair suede. It feels rugged, but then the material is a little bit more expensive. It just elevates the shoe overall. I really like it. And then you have your basic laces here, the looped eyelids right here, and then the K-Swiss logo right there on the tongue. The bottom is all gum, and that is basically the shoe. Now, when it came to the outfit for these, I really wanted these to stand out, so I decided to go with the blue on blue, denim on denim, deep denim ensemble. And it's really simple and clean and allows the shoes to sing and stand out, color blocking as I usually do. Last but not least on this list are another heritage sneaker, first debuted in 1989. These are the SI18 International sneakers. Now, these were first designed specifically for tennis. Feels like something from that era, from the 80s. Definitely with the puffy tongue, the thick sole, the bright details with the overall white silhouette. Now starting with the sole of the shoe, this already feels super 80s, crazy giant big branding, 1,000 patterns going on. And then as you come up to the midsole, it does not disappoint. You're looking at different types of foam, rubber mixed in, you have some stitching detail. Now on the heel counter, you have various amount of flags on there. It says SI18 on the side, K-Swiss logo, and you see these extra 2 laces that are long on the side panel. These are actually called DR clinch technology, I believe. It's supposed to help you play better on the court back in the day, but obviously I'm not an athlete. I'm not gonna play in these. I'm gonna rock these bad boys like the flashy shoes that they are, and I decided to actually tone down my outfit, go on a casual pair of looser denim, roll them up so you can really see the shoe, and I threw on a structured knit. Now I know it looks like a t-shirt, but it's an actual elevated t-shirt that actually has texture to it, some weight to it, and it drapes really well on my body, just so the outfit can be kind of elevated a little bit so it doesn't feel like super duper casual. Now out of all these shoes, I would say the Irvine T low top canvas ones are my favorite, period. But I would love to hear which one is your favorite. Are you liking the futuristic looking Jinkis? Are you liking the low tops like me? Or the 80s blast from the past tennis shoes? Let me know which ones you like in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give your guy a thumbs up. If you haven't subbed to this channel yet, make sure you make that happen. Thank you for your time, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.